In this DIY, I'm going to show you how to make your own fragrance candle. It's very fun and creative. So I started off by just painting all of the jar with some black chalkboard paint. I took apart all of the candles so that way I could take the wick out of them. Okay, so now I'm done taking off the wicks from each of the candles, so I'm going to melt this. Once it was done melting, I went ahead and added some drops of my favorite essential oil. I put some E6000 on the metal part of the wick, and with an old stick I had, I just put it around the wick so that way it can stay still. Once I noticed that the E6000 was done drying, I went ahead and added the melted candles into the jar. So what the stick does, it basically just keeps the wick in place, and I'm going to let the candle wax dry all night, and tomorrow I'll continue the DIY. Okay, so it is all done drying, and the next step, I got some twine and went ahead and covered all of the top of the jar. Once I was done with the twine, I got some old chalk that I had and started to write something. So I decided to write Party of 5 because we are a family of 5, and well, this is the finishing look. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my videos, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you all for watching.